once we are fed, blood glucose rises, right? That's the sugar in the blood. And then insulin rises to move the glucose into the cells, and excess glucose is then stored in the liver as glycogen and into whatever doesn't fit in the liver. It goes into the fat cells of your body. Great mechanism for when you need food. 6 to 24 hours after you stop eating, what happens is that blood glucose drops down, insulin also drops down, and your liver starts to use the stored liver glycogen for about 24 to 36 hours. That's about how much your liver has of energy still in the liver, made from the foods that you ate. You continue to fast. After about 24 to 36 hours plus, the glycogen stores are now emptied out of your liver, and your liver starts to make its own glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. Genesis means to make, neo is new, gluco is glucose. Gluconeogenesis is the process that our liver now starts to create sugars out of fat molecules for energy for our body. Pretty amazing stuff. Your body knows how to do it. Didn't forget. And when we talk about this in a non-diabetic person, glucose falls to normal range. And so when they've tested people's glucose levels, what they see is that it drops significantly and then hovers in a normal place, and it stays that way. Almost like your body knows exactly what to do with it. It knows exactly where to go. It doesn't just drop and you don't become faint and weak. Your body knows exactly how much you need, and it keeps it at that level. It's pretty amazing stuff that we have in our body. 2 to 3 days after fasting, low insulin stimulates the breakdown of fat. And this is lipolysis. Now we're tapping into that fat source. 5 days after fasting, the body starts to produce high levels of human growth hormone to maintain muscle mass. So your body's going, okay, I'm not getting any protein in. I'm going to jack up growth hormone. I'm going to jack up cortisol and adrenaline to maintain metabolism. When we talk about metabolism, most of our food isn't used for moving around. So people think that, oh, I exercise, this is where my calories go in. Actually, most of your calories are used for metabolism, meaning to keep your heart working, to keep your digestive system working, to keep your brain functioning, to be able to breathe through your lungs. So 90% of your calories are just keeping your body alive. The other is a little bit of exercise that could be used. And we mistake that exercise is this big thing. It's really separate. Following along? Doing good? Okay.